Alright, today is Sunday, July 14th, 10 minutes till 9, before I go outside. Alright, there's Rockstar. I'm going to put him on his tether, so give me a minute. Stay! Alright, you guys are going to just look at my junk. There it is. Come on. Come here. There you go. Alright, you guys. There's Rockstar. I got it. You know what? Go ahead, boys. Today, sorry. I love my bush hog that produced by, well, I won't say. That's all you got, boy. Sorry. I love it. And it also comes with the weed eater. I used that today. That's the card I borrowed off one of my friends. I've been doing a little workout here. Sorry, boy. You're going to stay on your tether until Daddy's done. Weed eated. Got down some of my weeds. I still got a few more to get down. But I kind of like that effect. I might just keep those and leave that effect in there. I kind of like it. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I still got to get up on there. Well, there's the leftover branches that I found this morning. I just threw it on maybe 15, 20 minutes ago. Could be 45 minutes ago. Yeah, I did it as I did it as I was going up here. I still got to get in here, but I can show you better. I still got to get this wood moved and stacked, but I'm getting there. It's another scorching day. I don't know how hot it was. Now, my mower's been bogging out, and as you can tell, I'll show you here in a minute. As you can tell, I started cutting my grass. That's the grass clippings for 3 weeks and part of today. Look at all these grass clippings. My weed fest, I've took care of a lot of that today too. I got all down here my volunteers plants. I don't know if they're cucumbers or what they are yet. This is how I'm going to tarp it. I'm going to build it up. These are my grass clippings. And as the season ends, I'm just going to pull everything over. Get all the seeds, all the tomatoes off the ground, pull everything over, and just add more grass clippings if I have any. If not, I'll find something to put on them. Hi, boy. My neighbor's dog. I'll get him in there. Rockstar and him likes each other, and he barks at me a lot. But I only made one sweep around my yard, if that. And I filled up my sweeper, and there is all it is. I've got so much grass clippings laying around, as you can tell. I don't know how well you can see this, but I'm just gonna mow a little bit and sweep and pile it up and finish building this probably tomorrow, this weekend. But at least I've got it started. I know I got some high spots in it, but I think once I anchor the tarp down and pull it tight, I can anchor it down again. It's going to take a lot of it down. If not, the weight of the grass clippings will. And then this is what I'm going to do. I'm probably 20 by 40, probably 20 by 40 or 20 by 60, because that's 16 feet between those two boards, and that's approximately 4 feet, so I'm 20 by 60, and that's not where but that's how I'm going to make it. If I got to do it in 3 stages or 2 stages, that's what I'll do. Let me go show you my boys' area. I just wish it wasn't so hot during the day, or I'm going to have to just say screw it and buckle down and bear the heat. Because I've got some more plants I need to plant. See, we can actually see some of my tomato plants now, and 2 of my pepper plants, and a volunteer. But I've got this area cut. I've got to get those branches. I've got so much work to do still. But he's got it in the play area again. It's not overgrown. So that's really about it. I just gotta have to go through and weed the rest of this as I get time. Now somebody's got a suggestion of what, I don't want to put poison down because it'll kill everything. But I've seen something that came back. Where is it? I meant plant. It came back this year. I'm just gonna have to weed it so it doesn't die. I think that's mint. Why don't I just taste it? Yeah, it's mint. Leave that come back. And I'll just, when it comes time to tarp over here, I might just got a hole. I'll just dig it up. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I've got some more mint plants in there I've got to find if I can. I've got to look back through my video when I plant my garden so I know where everything is, so I can kind of weed this thing out. But anyhow, that's how I'm going to do it. And as much grass as I got laying on my ground, I'm going to fill my first spot up no problem. And every week after I get it cleaned up and swept, I'm going to just keep adding to it. I don't care how high it gets, because I can always move it over at the end of the year when I do the rest of it. So I guess that's it for now. All I can say is thanks for watching and thanks for stopping by. Bye.